Welcome everybody to the channel, and to start this video we catch the CSX eastbound at Malsey, Indiana at milepost 240. Malsey is a ghost town just outside of Rushville, Indiana. The only thing left here is this grain elevator. There would have been a station here on the C&O many years ago. On May 15th, we're at West End and Springfield to catch this NS 170 with a UP SD 78 trailing second. And for our last catch, we catch this NS 45R grain train headed east by downtown Springfield. If you liked this short clip, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Pennsylvania Central Depot. Thanks for watching.